Hello, beautiful people, and welcome back to CNR Private English Classes. Ooh, who's that? I think that's my friend Ramonono. So, what about you? Who is your friend or who is your best friend? Actually, let's use that. We have here today questions with who. Who. Questions with who. We use who to recognize people, to ask questions about people, especially when you want to identify people. Recognize or identify people. That's the focus of who. Who. For example, who is Adele? Who is Adele? I don't recognize her. I don't identify her. So, who is Adele? I want to recognize her, to identify her. I want to identify her. So, who is Adele? And the answer you can use, she is a singer. Here we see she is a singer over here, because this information helps me identify Adele. So who is Adele? She is a singer. Okay, now I know. Who is your father? Who is your father? Well, he is Max. His name. I can recognize him with that. He is Max. But maybe you want to give me more information. He is Max. He's a doctor. So now I have two pieces of information. He is Max, like his name is Max, and his occupation, he's a doctor. So with that, I can recognize or identify your father. Who is your best friend? Who is your best friend? You always talk about your best friend, but I don't know your best friend. Who is your best friend? Ramonono is my best friend. With the name, I can identify your best friend. Ramonono is my best friend. But you can use who like this. Who is tall in your family? You would say, my father is tall in my family. Who is your favorite singer? My favorite singer is Adele. Who is your favorite basketball player? Who is your favorite basketball player? My favorite basketball player is Michael Jordan. Who is your favorite actor? My favorite actor is, or he is, Hugh Jackman, etc. Who. The pronunciation is who is, who are. In this case, with the verb to be. Later, we're going to check how we can use who with other verbs. But for now, we have who for making questions, especially with the verb to be. So let me ask you now, who is your best friend? Or who is your favorite singer? Or in your opinion, who is the best actor? Who? And who is hungry? Probably Ramonono. Well, we gotta eat something, so remember that we were working here on CNR private English classes. Remember to subscribe, like button, share it with your friends, and see you when I see you. Bye bye.